Hi guys and welcome to my channel. This is Mike Davyop and we are going to unbox something very nice today that just dropped yesterday from Shopee. But before that, I've been again in hiatus, or I've not been active for a while since there are no products that I can review for my channel, and I don't know, I'm pretty bored. I don't know what to make of a content for YouTube. So it's been weeks since I'm gone. Now I'm back and we are going to review something very nice, and that would be a Bluetooth speaker again. But this is a requested Bluetooth speaker and I'm really hoping that this would sound good for considering its price near the 33 no 23 T2359, or even a bit more expensive, but still I hope this would sound great. So let's do it. But before that, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share, and also click the notification bell to get the latest from my channel. Before we go unboxing, I just want to follow up something to you guys. If you're just like before, I reviewed the HD 720p PC camera or webcam. The quality ain't that great still, but it's usable for our speed of internet here. It's 1 Mbps, and for that quality of video, doesn't need to be that great for online classes this coming Monday for my sister. And I also bought the full HD, but it wasn't mine. I tried to test it a bit and I was surprised by the color range and how good it is. While 8.8 or 9.9 is coming, I highly recommend you guys to buy that full HD. It's just 100 pesos more. I really highly suggest. But for their microphone quality, both of them sound crap. It sounds muffled. I don't know. It sounds really bad. But the camera quality for the full HD is great, so go for that. So now let's go for the unboxing. And I'll be switching to the back camera. So now we are going to unbox this wireless speaker. How is this opened? Oh, by the way guys, I have to tell you the specs first. The Bluetooth is running on 5.0. That's the new standard for most Bluetooth nowadays. It consumes less power but is more effective or more efficient than 4.2 or version 4 and above. The range is 10 meters. I'm not sure about the range. Are they telling us the range of the sound or the range of the Bluetooth? I'm not sure about that. Maybe it's Bluetooth. The case is ABS, so it's all plastic except for the front panel, front grill, which is metal. Speaker size is 45 millimeters. It is 4 ohms, 5 watts times 2. That's 10 watts all in all. You have a battery capacity of a measly 1,200 milliamps and a play time of 2 to 4 hours. That's around maybe 50% or less, and a charging time of 1 to 2 hours. So it has MP3. It has a TF card, or the micro SD. It has FM radio. It's IPTWS function, IPX6. I'm not sure with this. I'm not sure it's actually waterproof. Let's just be careful not to splash water on it or submerging it underwater. It has a built-in microphone, which is good. It also has a 10-minute standby time. If you're not using or connecting to it, it automatically turns off, which is really great for battery saving. So now let's go into the unboxing. So you have to slide this off. Oops. Here we go. And here, there's no protection for the speakers, just that. Here's the speaker. Let's put it aside first. What's in the box? You have here your micro USB cable charging and a auxiliary input audio jack. Then your manual. That's mostly inside the box. Now let's put this away. Now into the speaker. So there it is. This is actually triangle, And one thing that really strikes me with this design is that it looks similarly to a, not similar, but the design or the shape of the speaker is like a uns, yes, an uns speaker. So I've already tested this out. I thought the speakers are um, firing upwards because that's the standard nowadays. Because most of the time when you're on the table, your head is on the table, but the direction of the sound is mostly down here. So that's kind of a bummer. You have here your two passive radiators at the sides. It has a, wait, under here you have here your rubber feet. It's here, it's Ace model A5670. There's also a similar type of speaker like this one, which has a different description. It's one, I mean IPX7, but I'm not sure if that's purely waterproof at that point. It has lesser power or lesser battery. This one is 1 hour more. I'm not sure about how they market this one. Here at the back, so trans flash or SD card, you have your DC. What's DC? USB on and off and auxiliary in. So DC, yes, that's the charging. Here's your for SD card, USB. You can also connect. You can use this as a power bank, but I would not recommend you this one as a power bank because because it only has 1,200 milliamps of power, and this could only drive the speaker for I've tested around maximum around less than 1 hour, but still it's great. Yeah, you have your on and off switch, then your aux in. That's you can also use an adapter for your microphone. You can also use this for karaoke. So that's much about this back here. So yeah, I don't know if this can hold to be an IPX6. Here's your minus button. This is long press. Yeah, minus modes you can transfer for FM. You don't need to press for auxiliary. Just connect directly and will automatically say AUX mode. And there are just two modes for this. One is for FM radio and one is for Bluetooth. Then you have your play and pause button, long press for calls, and your plus or next or plus volume button. So long press for volume and just one press to play different songs from your smartphone. Okay, so the problem with this one also, guys, is that it's not in sync with your phone's volume. That's a problem because with my Sony, it's in sync. With your T2359, it's in sync. This one is not in sync. That's the problem with this speaker. So once turning this on, it's the maximum volume around this around 60 or 70%. You need to long press this one so that you can reach 100% volume. This can also become a lot louder, but it will become distorted if you connect this to an AUX with PC, because the PCs have more power to it. Not much with phone. With my Samsung, it sounds a bit more muffled, but with Bluetooth, it shines. I'm not sure with USB. Haven't tried with USB and trans flash or SD card. I think that without Bluetooth, you can save more power by using a SD card. But enough with the talking, let's go into the sound test to give you an impression of how good this speaker is. So let's go into sound mode. So now let's turn this on. My Bluetooth is on already. Okay, like a smartphone.
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, welcome tones. Not sure. Okay, so that ding is the sound that it has already been paired. I already paired this beforehand. So let's try some music. Music. that's the sound test for the Ace A5670, and to my surprise, it sounds not clean. Well, not that distorted, but for the price of this speaker, for 460, I guess, ish, and the shipping, it's actually worth it. And to be honest with you, at first unboxing or dealing with this speaker, I'm shocked that it's heavy, because most of the fake or China speakers that you can buy, they're very light. When we're talking about hefty speakers like that, they feel solid. That like this one doesn't feel hollow, just like the JBL, Sony's, the authentic speakers like Bose. Yeah, all of them are authentic, Sony, JBL. They feel heavy because they pack so much inside, like the battery, the speakers inside, the materials they're using in making up the speakers, which makes it not just heavy but feels really premium. And this one it feels heavy. I don't know if it's because there's only 1,200 milliamps of battery, so it won't be the battery. It maybe the magnet inside is big. Now you see here that the passive radiators also move very well, unlike other fake JBL brands that you can bought locally from stores that are priced way too high, and you can just buy it on Shopee at a very less cost. I don't recommend you that. Go with this for regular listening. It can actually last for a couple of hours, like 2 to 4 hours. That's great. And for charging time, it's 1 to 2 hours. It's also great. Not like my T2359 that I modded already to have a bigger battery, but at the cost of charging very slow. Now this one, I'm actually impressed. It's worth the money, and I highly recommend this one for those on a tight budget and really looking into really great sounding speakers at a very affordable price. So that's the Ace A5670. That's my review for this speaker. I'll make another video soon, or about maybe furthermore digging deep into the speaker, but for now that's all. So yeah, this is plastic. It looks like metal, but it's not. Plastic here. You have a nice passive radiator, your controls, your charging, and so on. And here's a metal. I thought actually this was cloth, but it's not. But to be honest, it's great. So that's it, guys. That's for the Ace. I've talked too much already. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and set it to all notifications to get the latest from me. Like and share this video, and comment down below any of your thoughts about this speaker. Any questions or help, just comment down below. And see you in the next video, everyone. And bye bye.